doing here?
Oh, I'm making a delicious thing called honey confetti. You want to help?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. So we're going to put all sorts of delicious seeds in the honey, and you can drizzle it on top of almost any dish. Will you guys help mix up the seed mixture? Okay, here's some toasted yellow sesame seeds. Here's some toasted pumpkin seeds, toasted poppy seeds. This is black sesame, and this is the sunflower. You can add all of those into there. And now there's just one ingredient left to add.
Honey.
Honey! Who's going to help with that?
Me.
Let's add this whole jar. So now we're gonna make our dish. These are some sweet potatoes.
Oh, that color.
Aren't they so pretty? And then we're gonna do our honey confetti.
Confetti, 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 confetti.
And these are marigolds. Everyone ready to taste some sweet potato?
Yeah.
Yeah! Okay. Yes.
Wait a minute, Samine, there's flowers on this.
Of course they're flowers. They're edible.
The flowers aren't edible.
Some flowers are edible. We eat flowers all the time. Things like broccoli,
Broccoli is a flower?
artichokes, and cauliflower.
Cauliflower